Welcome to Calgary Fasteners and Tools. We are a 30-year-old, locally owned company with 3 stores in Calgary to serve you. We are part of the Fastener group of companies with 15 stores from Vancouver to Ontario. We offer a complete range of industrial products to service construction sites, manufacturing, and maintenance shops. We also specialize in all aspects of safety supplies. Our order desk and sales force is more than willing to offer suggestions on products for any jobs that you need help with. We are committed to service to our customers either by phone or walk-in.